If you have anything that you think is not right with the divestiture in Safaricom shares, I will appear before National Assembly where you sit. I know the Finance and Planning Committee together with the Debt and Privatization Committee will invite me to defend or explain this transaction. The standing orders in the National Assembly allow any member to appear before any committee of parliament. Just appear in this committee, the joint committee. Appear, put together all your questions, and I will answer them. You are people's representative. It is your duty to hold us to account. I will come and give facts because I know that what we are trying to do is going to help the country to take off. The reason why you are opposing this strategy is because you don't want the government to deliver. You are one of the senior people in UDA, and you know what the manifesto of UDA says.
There are certain decisions that some of us have made. We are not regretting, and me as one of them, I'm not regretting. The step I did, that's where I am, and that's where I am now, and I'm hoping I'm going to be there, God willing, with a number of people who are seeing what this government is doing in this community, that things that we have never seen before. We've lived with these roads here many times before. It is this time round that some of them are getting fixed in history. In history. So a government like that, we may be very, very, very a different kind of a breed of people if we turn our heads and eyes and minds against that kind of a government. And as for now, the logic that I'm trying to present is very simple. That whether we go left or we go right, the issue of communities still influences the kind of politics that we play in this country.